Wow, how do I leave if I wake up to this? We're out here. We just had a big breakfast. He's saying that it was better. The breakfast is better than the dinner. Wow, that's maybe it was the day of the week. I don't know.
International. It wasn't that good.
Oh, okay, okay.
Today they got Indian buffet.
Oh, today's Indian buffet. That's cool. That's cool. Let's see what they got. Let's see what they got. Fijian style. Tata's was a really good restaurant though. Tata's. Tata's is pretty nice.
Tata's and also Roti Corner.
Roti Corner?
Yeah, Roti Corner.
You know how I found out about Tata's? I just like, oh, like the fancy restaurants in Fiji. What's everybody doing? The locals pointed to Tata's.
Yeah.
Like,
We ate that first day.
oh yeah? Oh nice. Yeah.
Tata's is good.
Tata's good, man. It's like home cooked. It's home cooked, and they got
Fried
everything.
fish is really off the hook.
Yeah.
Wait, where are you?
We're gonna go right over there, and
Ready for the adventure today?
yeah, we're gonna go play at his villa's beach today.
Wait, so we're gonna take one of those boats?
Yeah.
Well, tomorrow.
The big one.
The big one, yeah, the big one. We're gonna take the big one.
A big one?
We're gonna catch some fish.
I caught
Gonna have a
7
blast,
fish,
baby.
Last year.
Baby.
I haven't even caught one. I'm a terrible fisherman. I can't catch fish at all.
I got a little bit of help. But
Yeah?
Not really, yeah.
Ajay's a good fisher, huh? He knows how to fish.
Yeah.
He taught us fishing. Yeah.
Good.
I saw some a couple of thongs yesterday. It was really nice.
Oh yeah, me too.
Yeah, so it was
That's
like
always good.
that's always nice. Some Australian booty holes. Some Australian booty holes.
I'm studying with that vehicle. Starting Monday, your screensaver is going to be a laptop.
I'll be back to dealing with all the crazy people.
Yeah. Ah, what a day. So nice. We went to Suva and it was raining over there. And then we came back to this. It's all right.
Just thinking about going back home is depressing.
Yeah, I know.
I don't want to leave this.
Yeah, same here. That's what I said. I woke up and I was like, fuck, it's gonna be hard to leave.
You guys fly back Friday.
Yeah, Friday.
You guys go back Friday?
Mhm.
We leave Saturday.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I figure I'm gonna get the weekend. So,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Just
We
to
get to catch up.
catch up and then boom, back to work on Monday.
Yeah, same here.
Oh, look, they got the sailboat going on right there. Look at that.
It's $200 for 4 hours.
What? 200 for 4 hours?
No, it's $250 an hour.
For the jet ski?
No shit.
Hell, that shit.
That's Fijian. So it's like what? 150?
Yeah,
125. Nah. You're gonna need at least 2 hours, 3 hours.
250.
Yeah.
Oh, we had like 4 hours.
No.
400.
No. 200?
Yeah, we had 4
It's
hours.
all day.
Oh, yeah.
200 all day out
Yeah,
here.
because I rent out there.
Oh,
Rent out there, I'll get 2 jet skis for $400 all day.
wow.
From 9 o'clock to 9 p.m.
Mm.
Those suckers are fun too.
It's too much money, dude.
Yeah.
I just blew. He blew up the fucking water.
Yeah.
Hey, he's gone, bro.
Who?
I think Peter's out. He's done. He must have left.
How's he gonna go? His flight's back till 11 o'clock at night.
But who did he leave with?
He's not gonna leave. He's here somewhere.
Where's Dilly? Dylan? Oh, there he is.
They already went to the room?
The boat, Stevie!
Bula! You can hear all of them exercising right there. It's pretty cool. Hey, living my best life. Living my best life. Yeah. Boola, boola. You want a beach body? That's what they're saying. I didn't come here with the beach body. I came here with a beer belly. You know what I mean? I don't care. I don't care. I'm living my best life. You know what I mean? I ain't trying to impress no bitch.
I made all my videos 5 minutes.
How many bottles did I get?
So we are all walking to Mona's Villa, and what happens is they got a really nice villa, and it's beachfront. So instead of hitting the pool up, we're gonna hit the beach up.
4 years ago. When
Where you guys going?
2 years ago when I had.
We're going to the villa.
We're going to the villa, but where are they going?
Wait.
Oh, they're getting beer. Hey, they're getting beers.
We can keep on walking. Frida's got the key. Keep on walking.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we'll keep on walking. They're gonna bring it. Do they know where it's at? They don't know where it's at? Oh.
You drove it on.
Keep walking, guys.
Grab a couple more.
Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Grabbing some beers, grabbing some beers.
I'm on. Daddy was. Am I going to go see the food?
There's some big fish in here, dude.
No way. There's fish in here?
Yeah.
They have fish feeding somewhere here, right?
That's cool.
Fish feeding? Oh wow, you can see it straight. Look at that, damn. You can straight see up in there. That thing, the white things, that's high tide, low tide, I guess.
Where?
Well, these balloons right here, right?
Oh, that's for decoration, man.
Oh, that's for decoration? That's for decoration, baby.
Hey, Larkan. This way. Peter, come on.
Hey, where are you guys going?
They're looking at the food court.
Where are we? This is Bonnie.
Dude, my toe thumb hurts.
Huh?
My toe thumb hurts.
Okay, hold on. It was from the pool.
Every boy gets that. Every boy gets that. What? Oh wait, what is it called? Their toe gets like.
Yeah, when you're in the pool too long, your toe starts to hurt.
Yeah. Mine doesn't. Well, because you've never been into the pool.
Yeah, you've never been in the pool.
Comprehension.
Yeah, a lot of them don't. Yeah. Hey, where are you guys going? You guys, where are you guys going? Gotta keep the kids on check sometimes.
We gotta order from the room.
Chill.
What's so funny about that?
You guys actually Dylan's fault.
I remember I was a kid, I was breaking everybody's balls, you know what I mean?
Dylan! Dylan, can I borrow your ball? Yeah.
We got that oceanfront property, baby. Oceanfront. That's how daddy does.
When you start working, then you can show me that.
I need my goggles.
We're Shit, we're Hey, what are you doing? Hey, dude, I got camera equipment. Here, just have the fish come.
Hey, just do it right here. Throw a whole bunch right here.
Here, baby.
I want to get it for
Throw it right there in front of Mama.
Wow, dude.
They're all coming.
They're all coming. We're
Sean,
feeding the
where are
fish.
you?
We came back.
Come here, sit
Oh my gosh.
Stand right here.
Feed the fish. Oh my gosh. Woo!
This
The
is
big ones are
amazing.
fighting. Wow, it's a
Look, look.
frenzy. Go, go, put, give him more.
Keep going, keep going.
Eat! Eat, you little fish. Eat, fishies.
Don't make
Oh my
any moves.
gosh.
Don't make any moves. Just stay in one spot, everybody, so he can catch it.
Okay, okay, I have to get that catching one.
Come here, look, Papa. Come here. There's a fishy. Come on, sit right here. Come over here. Come here, come here. You can come over here.
We came back, decided to catch more fish.
You sit right here. You sit right here.
He's gonna catch the
You
fish.
guys stay still. Stay still.
Oh, it's the big ones. It's the big ones.
Daddy, catch a fish.
Bonnie, you guys just turn around.
It's hard, dude.
Okay.
Bonnie, hold up. I gotta take a video of you, baby. Can I do it?
Yeah, yeah. Go stand next to Papa. Go stand next to Papa and throw it in front of this. No. I don't know.
Kaka.
Kaka. Throw it in front of Kaka.
Ready?
The big ones are on this side.
Yeah, yeah. Wait, wait.
Come on, Mom. All those moms are with this one swim and swim. All the babies.
Ew, he's right in the water. They're not gonna be attracted to that.
Dude, freaking Mutsi right here.
Come on, keep feeding him. It has to be a frenzy.
Let's do actually. I want to try to see if Facebook Live goes on. It'd be so cute.
Yeah, do it.
I'm gonna have to catch a fish.
Bonnie, come on in.
Come on, you guys.
Oh, shit!
All right. Okay, let's keep going. Come on. We gotta do this.
I had the tail, man.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, go.
Well, I gotta move up.
No, you gotta be right here.
Should we go
Come on,
more
lead
in the
the way.
water?
More in the water, more in the
All
water.
right.
Okay, right here, right here.
But everybody be
Oh.
still.
Oh, yes.
Be still.
Be still, be still. Be still.
Whoa.
Oh my God, they're fighting. They're fighting for it.
We're fishing.
What if they're poisonous?
Nah,
up.
they're not poisonous.
Catch one.
Oh,
They don't
look
really
at
want to
this
come
one.
closer.
That's a pretty one.
Do it for the little ones. Or they're harder to catch for the tiny. Yeah, almost had it.
Go in, right?
That's what
Can we do it? Huh?
Make sure it's not a dead jellyfish.
Get scared?
He's gonna catch one eventually.
No, he is. Watch. Let's try it. 2 people. Wait, they're running away. You're making too much noise. Yeah. Don't make noise. They can hear in the water. Don't make noise.
Throw it in there.
Yeah?
That's a good idea.
Okay.
Please, now you look.
Maybe you gotta get to the more to your left, because they're all here.
There they go, right here. They can't see now.
Yeah, no, they can't. Oh, look at that one.
Hey, what?
I think Pinky has a better idea.
Oh, she's gonna try. She got a better idea.
Here, wait, here.
You gotta put it in there. You gotta put the oatmeal in there.
Oh, okay. They're eating.
You know what I
oatmeal?
mean? You gotta put the oatmeal in
Look,
there.
look, they're right there in front of you.
Okay, don't go out too far. Let them come to you.
Look at, that's so many.
I'm just gonna jump.
Ooh, right by your foot. Right there adults here that are doing this. The kids are like, whatever.
Okay, you guys are going in too deep.
I
That's
need more.
stingrays. You don't want to get fucked up over here.
But do we have more? What?
Oh no, yeah, there's a whole bunch.
Let's go play. I want to play. Let's get, I have to catch one. We gotta catch one. We're gonna catch one before the end of the day. Let me get it.
Hey, there's crab over there.
Yeah, there's crab in the over there.
One crab, we got dinner.
Yeah.
Let's go over there and let's get pictures.
Okay.
You're in the honeymoon spirit.
Yes.
Dale, man, dale.
Damn, that's a. Alright, really?
Is that your birthmark?
Yeah.
Help out, Bobby. Yeah. You can do this. What? Order around a beer, and I'll put it to my room. Yeah, I can do that. You're the only one who knows what to call.
Okay, they're all hungry.
They're all different schools of fish here. Oh fuck! You're an asshole. You're an asshole. He's an asshole. Yeah, he went like this.
Fuck!
He spit his suki out.
Oh, fuck that shit. Oh, god damn. Bye! Salinja! Baba Bee! Wait, yeah.
We're all gonna get kicked out today.
Da! Salinja! Baba Bee! Wait, yeah.
They're gonna send security over. Don't you know this is paradise? You gotta keep it down.
Bonnie's ready to go swimming. Bonnie and Dylan are ready to go swimming, guys.
We're reenacting the Lion King.
One more time.
No more times. No more times. I'm gonna scare off the locals. Did you hear that? Yeah. That was funny. What are you guys doing?
Did you hear the scream?
What's wrong?
Did you got the scream on camera?
No.
I think no, because I scared Veer when I locked him in the closet.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And he was like, what? What's with those fun? You did good is I do. Oh, ice cream. Oh, ice cream. How about you guys thinking about it?
I can't bring my own liquor in
Yeah.
Let's take a shot.
No. Beers. Start with beers first.
Put it in this bottle first.
Huh? What do you want? Can somebody open the bubbles?
Well, what's the time?
1.
Let's just take a cab, dude.
Make it simple. It has to be dropping you off. It has to pick you up from there. Is this phone not going? Is this phone not going?
Where's Sean?
Yeah, we did when you were young. He used to always double dribble.
Mona.
That's chilled, huh? See? Chilled.
Are we drinking?
Oh, are we doing it?
I've been drinking.
He is once around and then he always comes back.
Cheers.
When he starts running, he starts dancing it. And then he always does no passes.
Come on, I want to get the Fetty Daddy.
Tastes like
I
salt?
don't think he knows how to do a normal pass.
Give him a slice.
Oh, because you ate some water?
Give him a slice.
Surfboard.
Surfboard.
Literally just get surfboard. Riding on that wave.
Can I eat this one? Can I eat this? Can I eat him? Yes?
Yeah, Fiji head.
Can I eat this? Can I eat this? Can I eat this? Okay.
I'll do
No, I'm not.
nothing.
Oh, no, no, you're protecting yourself.
I dare you. I'm too overweighted and thick, so you can't do that.
Fede, 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 baby.
Surfboard.
Cheers.
Kay wants to touch my ankle.
You're weird.
One shot. You need to down it.
Jump in.
See that?
I can't. I'll jump in.
Nice.
We drank last night.
Cheers.
We had fun.
I don't want to.
No, you can go on the deep side. Like, the deep side's like up to here. Let's see. Okay. No, I mean, that's like.
Yeah, there was something. So I said $10. $10.
Look at this.
I want to see if I can do it around the road.
Doing 11.
Oh, shit. Oh, man.
Come on, man, you're poor sport.
Oh, that would have been fucked up.
Sachin has left the house, so you have to get ready.
All right, let's go. Come on. We're going to go. All right. You'll be back, right, Mom?
Yeah, I'm gonna come back.
Okay.
I'm living in my dream
You're
world.
living your best life.
I eat plastic.
Plastic. Goodbye, Villas, however you pronounce it. So we're gonna go sit at the bar. I'm gonna go change my clothes so I can get in the water. You gonna get in the water?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Pool bar. Yeah, pool bar.
In the pool, right? You're gonna change your clothes?
No, I'm just gonna take my shirt off. I'm gonna swim without a shirt.
Okay. I just gotta get better pants. I gotta get swim pants.
Swimming.
Yeah.
You
All right.
in the water? Bula.
Bula.
Yeah, I haven't had bad service anywhere in Fiji, man.
In Fiji, you will not get bad service. No way. At the crappiest place.
Yep.
Well, sometimes you might get unlucky.
Get hot water.
But yeah, you might not get hot water, but everybody's super nice. Everybody's great. This is a real tourist place. Got the American flag right here. Marriott.
Hell yeah.
American service.
I didn't even notice that.
Yeah. It's got a Fiji flag, got a Marriott flag, and it's got the American flag. God's bless.
Tonight we'll